8 count Superman punch. So it's 8 jab crosses and then 1 Superman punch. You'll be taking off on your right foot and punching with your left hand. So the pad holder, put up the left pad for the Superman punch. So it's 8 count. There's 40 seconds work. You change stance, put your left foot forward, be taking off your left foot, punching with your right hand. So it's 8 count. Superman punch. Uppercut, 180s, the low version, just miss out the uppercut and just do a squat step back. So we just squat in here, step and squat. Just changing sides. And go nice and low in the squat, chest up. The big version is using uppercut from the rear. The most important thing is looking to the front. Keep looking to the front, don't look to the sides. So keep looking to the front, target to the front, power up, try and get some height. Uppercut to the ceiling. Bend the knees, sinking low. Exhale as you come up. Crab push-ups. There's 3 options. The low version is just staying on your knees, and you do a circle. You circle round, 180 circle, one push up, circle back, 1 push up. Yeah, the second version, you get rid of the mat, you're on your toes, go to the side, walk to the side, 1 push up, take it back, 1 push up. Big version, you do a plyo, fast as you like. Burpees, it's a wide squat burpee. The first version is the step back burpee. So you keep your chest up, both hands on the inside, right foot back, and then right foot back in, and then keep the chest up on the way back. The higher version is both feet, jumping in and just standing, and the higher version after that, level 3, is with a jump. Burpees. Three body hooks, 1 head hook, and jab cross 4 count. So for people who haven't done it before, you've got new people in the class, you just want to use 1 pad. So it's 3 count down low, 1, 2, 3, 1 up high, and then 4 count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so it's a 4 and 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you've done it before, people have got a bit more power, you can put your right hand out and the left hand just covers it. So 3 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 3 down low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 seconds work, left foot forward, do the same on the other side. So I'll do the advanced version, so left hand out and the right hand just covers it. So it's 3 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sprint high knee log jumps. The low version is just with a step. Using your arms, lifting your knees up, chest up, nice and easy. Higher version is doing the jump and the sprint. Then use your arms, chest up, sprint, high knee, log jumps. Bear crawl, tricep walks. The low version, for people that's got wrist injuries, you can just bring your knees off the floor, hands below the shoulders, and just touch your shoulder, tense your core. But keep your knees just off the floor. Common fault is doing this. Yeah, so make sure your knees are just off the floor, touch your shoulder, low version. High version, you're going to crawl forward, lift one hand up and do a turn, crab turn, then tricep walk back. And then crab turn back, bear crawl forward. Jab, cross, 8 count, 4 uppercuts. Nice easy one. It's the last one, so you go flat out in the last one. Jab, cross, 8 count. So you got 40 seconds work, left foot forward, change stance, same again, 8 count, 4 count.